In this video, let me show you how to fix Spotify AI DJ not working. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now, if you're facing this issue, the first thing that you need to ensure is that you are in a region or a country where Spotify DJ is actually available. So if you haven't yet previously used the AI DJ feature, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. So the AI DJ feature is released or rolled out primarily in the US, UK, and a few other parts of Europe. So if you are not in a part of the country or not in the country where this feature is available, this is the exact issue that you're facing. But however, if this is not the case for you, then what you can try out is try to change your language. Sometimes the DJ feature might not be available in a different language. So what you can do is try to switch your language within Spotify to English. If the language changing feature is not available within the app of Spotify, then what you can do in this case is open up a web browser, search for spotify.com, and then make sure that you change your Spotify within the web version. So by following these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, the last thing that you could try out is try to uninstall and reinstall the application of Spotify onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing this issue should also be now fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.